My name is Patrick Lako. I'm married with 3 kids. I live in Crips Ranch, San Diego. We've lived in this home since 2011. We looked at our annual electric usage and it was upwards of $2,000 a year. And because of that, we decided to look into investing in solar. We get sun 90% out of the year and it does get a little bit hot. We did some shopping around and discovered Semper Solaris. They employ a lot of veterans, and being a veteran myself, I decided to take a closer look. Being in the military, you have that sense of integrity instilled into you. When you put that into a business, it makes it much better for the customer, because if there's a problem that happens, you have somebody that already understands how to put that integrity to use, and they take care of you. If anything goes wrong, they'll get right on it right away. I've been tremendously happy with the product that we received through Semper Solaris. Our electricity bill went down drastically. And in fact, our annual electric bill is less than $40 a year. It's nice knowing that I can actually run the air conditioning on those really hot days and not worry about having to pay any electricity bill. I can monitor my solar production. It's nice going on the app to see exactly how much I'm producing versus how much I'm consuming. When it's in the plus, it just makes me feel great. Being a father, it was important for me to instill on my children the importance of protecting our environment, going green. And we're doing our little part by purchasing solar. Also having solar in my own home, it is an investment. I can give this house to one of my kids and they'll inherit our solar.